I am always off the leash. You ready or not? Whoa, let's go. I'm legendary. I'm legendary. Yeah. I'm legendary. Yeah. Take a look in my eyes. Come on. I'm legendary.
Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in a down.
So kung ikaw wala pa nimo nakita imong forever, basin pag naka-RDM ka, makita nimo.
It's a good.
And we are blessed, I would say, Mindanao is blessed that RDM Lights, High Performance Premium LED Lights is launching today.
There ain't nothing.
Again, in October 2022, driven by a shared passion for motorcycles and a commitment to enhancing rider safety, my brother and I embarked on a journey. We established a motorcycle shop with a clear mission to improve the night riding experience for enthusiasts across the Philippines by providing quality auxiliary lights and exceptional customer service through expert installation. Thus, the tagline, "Be bright, be safe."
I believe na kumbaga first time mag-release o product na with 1 year warranty sa manufacturer and another 1 year for company sa RDM. So matotal 2 years warranty ang product ni RDM. Ngano dini man sa Hinguog o sa Route 955 ang venue. Because R means riders, D means destination. So ito yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ng mga rider na destination. That's why we decide dito i-launch yung product.